So something weird's happening.
We should really shoot these.
Shoot these. What do we shoot?
We should shoot these flex.
What do you want to? Oh, you want to shoot the flex stacks?
Absolutely.
Why? Isn't flex stacks superior?
That's
They've been out for like a few months and they're already better than Milwaukee, right?
See if they're bulletproof.
They have tons of options because, you know, they've copied the battery mounts and the level holders that everyone else has. But because they come stock with level holders and battery mounts, right, they're better.
Right, right.
So, do you guys know who that is? That's right. I was waiting for you to chime in because this is just a, you know, a two-way video. Dennis is at the PACKOUT wall.
Let me tell you, this
Great
place is
PACKOUT wall of
incredible.
China, everyone says, because, you know, Milwaukee's whatever.
This place is incredible. The photos do not do it justice at all.
Well, that's because we don't, because the camera adds 10 pounds of red.
I'm telling you, 10 pounds period.
10, oh, that's... Hey, what does my shirt say this time? Big? Oh. Never mind.
I got a banana split on mine.
Banana split. You guys know Dennis? We're going to go do what? Kids? Lincoln? RC cars. I think that was English.
We're going to try to break some RC cars.
RC cars and printers. See you guys later. So that's right. So we still have the O kit. We got the cooler. But today we've got the Traxxas. It's Dennis, I, and the kids. We're going to have some fun.
This is a kid mode. Woo! All right.
Oh boy.